kids, it's time to learn with Miss Kaye. Today we're going to read another fun story. We're going to read the story of The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle. Come on and join Miss Kaye. Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard and began to spin a web with her silky thread. Can you spot where the spider is? The spider is right there. This is a spider. Spider. Neigh, neigh, said the horse. Want to go for a ride? This is a horse. A horse says neigh. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Moo, moo, said the cow. Want to eat some grass? This is a grass. What animal is this? It's a cow. Cow. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Bah! Bah! Bleated the sheep. Want to run in the meadow? This is a sheep. Sheep. The sheep is in the meadow. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Ma, ma, said the goat. Want to jump on the rocks? These are rocks. Rocks. What animal is this? It's a goat. Goat. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Oink, oink, grunted the pig. Want to roll in the mud? This is a mud. Mud. Pig. The pig is in the mud. Pig. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Woof woof, barked the dog. Want to chase a cat? This is a dog. The dog is running. Dog. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Meow, meow, cried the cat. Want to take a nap? Cat. The cat is taking a nap. Cat. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Quack, quack, called the duck. Want to go for a swim? This is a duck. The duck is on the pond. Duck. The spider didn't answer. She had now finished her web. Cock-a-doodle-doo, crowed the rooster. Want to catch a pesky fly? This is a fly. And what animal is this? It's a rooster. Rooster. And the spider caught the fly in her web just like that. Woo woo, asked the owl. Who built this beautiful web? This is an owl. Owl. And of course, this is a web. Web. The spider didn't answer. She had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day. Oh, the spider is sleeping now. It got very tired making its web. The end. And that's the story of The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle.